Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can clear your chat history on Emo HD. So let's get started. Firstly, open Emo HD app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next tap on settings. After that, tap on chats. Make sure you can see the option of clear chat history at the bottom. Tap on it. Then tap on delete. So this is how you can clear your chat history on Emo HD. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.